Hi, my name is Lorelai. I'm a writer for Countable, and today I'm going to show you how to search for COVID-19 resources on Elsevier.com. So the first thing you'll want to do is to navigate to Elsevier's website. As you can see here in the URL, Elsevier.com. And once you land on the home page, you'll want to scroll to the middle of the page, and there is a novel coronavirus information center. Click on that page to access a variety of resources, including clinical information, information on research and drug discovery, public health information, and patient resources. You can also scroll down further on the page to see the full directory of all Elsevier's COVID-19 resources, including over 20,000 free articles for researchers, a full text that can be used for data mining, clinician-specific information, and, as previously discussed, patient-specific information. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little overview of each of these resources. So here in the clinical information section, you can see that there's a healthcare hub that gathers evidence for all of the latest evidence-based guidelines for treating COVID-19. It includes a toolkit, some expert insights, guidelines, and research resources. If you're a healthcare professional who is currently treating or expecting to treat COVID-19 patients, this can be a really great resource to look up the most recent and most up-to-date standards of care for COVID-19 patients. There is also a podcast series that covers the same topics for healthcare professionals. Now, what if you are a researcher? Well, you might be interested in the research and drug discovery resources, which include the One Science Coronavirus Research Repository, the COVID-19 clinical guidance for global cardiovascular clinicians, and a few calls for papers and content hubs from other publishers, all of which are available directly from Elsevier's site. Then there are also some public health resources. So this is really a collection of guidance and commentary from government and major health organization guidance on COVID-19. And so if you're coming at this question from more of a public health researcher perspective or a policy researcher perspective, this may be a resource that you're interested in. There are also some interesting op-ed and opinion articles that are linked on the website here as well as the most recent information from JAMA, which is a very well-respected medical journal and medical information resource. Finally, what if you're a COVID-19 patient and you want to understand the virus and the implications of it more in depth? Well, you may be interested in the patient resources that are linked here. You may be interested in the patient access program that allows you and your caregivers to receive medical or healthcare related research papers. And you also may be interested in some of the podcasts and webinars and additional resources such as travel precautions from the CDC that are linked here. There are also some videos from the World Health Organization that you may be interested in as well. So all of which is to say that Elsevier's website is a really good place to start your coronavirus research, regardless of the questions that you're interested in and the perspectives that you're interested in finding. And like many other medical journals right now, Elsevier has made a lot of these resources free to the public in our current crisis.